My favorite part of ME Week.
My favorite part of ME Week.
My favorite part of ME Week
Was the Dabke.
was the food.
The Dabke workshop.
Was definitely the Tatreez workshop. Hey everyone, welcome to this year's ME Week.
With each other is what I call dual vision, critical compassion, and compassionate critique.
Look, every time you are here on the top of that square, you're gonna keep going because you're gonna be on this corner, then this corner, then this corner.
Day 3, dance with me.
ME. Today we're going to have a wonderful Dabke workshop. People are flying in from Canada for this event. And tell them who else we're having.
We also have an Attan workshop with Humaira Hamidi. She is an Attan specialist and we're learning from the very, very, very best.
So come join us. Well, technically when you see this video, you would have already joined us. So I hope you liked it.
And if you missed it,
we'll
roll
watch,
the clip.
Roll and play the clip.
وقراني ليلو وقراني ليلو استاد تورور بالقسم زمان استاپ مینا کلمه تړونه والقدس بنت الجياد اسلاميني توبي على اللبس البني والنيني والقدس كنت الجياد اسلاميني توبي على اللبس الخضري والنيلي والوينك يا عصيب طل تقابيني ولا خلي الله يشدد العونه
Welcome to Culture Show, the best part of ME Week. Today, it's gonna go down.
ابو علي بدي هنيك اجوا يهنوا رفع السيراميك
هلا ما في ومنه بايدي ما بعرف شو صار له هالقلب. Then you smiled over your shoulder for a minute I was stone cold sober. I pulled you closer to my chest.
Trivia question. And the question is, who is the current director of MESC?
King of Cairo. Gold on my neck, I be looking like a pharaoh. God really bless you, baby, that's something I know. I've been a body bag, put that shit in a spiral. The king of Cairo. I be looking for Cleopatra, you be looking for Alexander. I know that you wanna feel alive, so why don't you just lose your pride? حبيبتي نفتيتي queen.
على عهدي على ديني على أرض تلاقيني أنا لأهلي أنا فديهم أنا دمي فلسطيني 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 أنا دمي فلسطيني على أرض تلاقيني أنا لأهلي أنا فديهم والله أنا دمي فلسطيني 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 أنا دمي فلسطيني.
You all here?
I felt you coming.
I need to be featured on this.
Hey guys.
Oh my god, Canada, that's
And
crazy.
they know Drake, so technically we
Technically
meet
it's
them,
Drake.
we know Drake. Yeah.
Technically it's Drake.
This is how vloggers act. They'll be like, hi! They'll only be looking here, not here, but they'll be like here. And then I'll watch the YouTube vlog and I'm just like seeing them go like this. Yeah. Thanks for coming to No, don't zoom. Don't zoom. See you then.
Wait, I messed it up.
Wait, have fun dancing. Wait, we need to like do like have fun dancing. And you better cut this out.
So basically it'll go up like this. Halfway, this way, back.
Hey! See you guys.